Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech TV. In today's video, I'm gonna guide you through how to fix Spotify no internet connection issue. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. When you're trying to play your favorite music on your Spotify app, but you are seeing this message at the bottom that says no internet connection available, then here are some fixes you could try out. The fixes are pretty simple and it's easy to follow through. The first thing to do is to make sure that you are connected to a stable internet connection. If your internet is not working, you might not be able to play through Spotify unless you are a premium subscriber for Spotify. Turn on your Wi-Fi or your cellular data. Or you can also turn on your flight mode, wait for some time, you can wait for at least a minute, and turn off your flight mode. Once you do that, you'll be connected to your internet. Once you are done, tap open Spotify app and see if that fixes the issue. As you can see that in my case, it has worked, but if it still does not work for you, the next thing to do is to simply force close your Spotify app. Tap on the three bars located at the bottom left and swipe the application towards the upper side. Force close all of the application running on your background. And now, tap Settings from your mobile device. From the Settings menu, scroll all the way down until you see the Apps option and tap it on. From the list of the apps displayed on the next page, search for Spotify. Tap it on and tap on Force Stop at the bottom right. Click OK from the pop-up box. And now, tap Storage. Tap on the Clear Cache button at the bottom right, which will clear out your cache data from your Spotify app. Sometimes because of the cache files that has been accumulated on your application, you might not be able to function the app like it was supposed to. Now, tap Clear Data at the bottom left-hand corner. But remember that clearing your data will prompt you to enter your credentials to get logged into your application back again. If you remember your credentials, tap on OK, but if you don't, skip this step. Now, launch Open Spotify app, log into your account if necessary, and see if that fixes the issue. If nothing else works out, you can always press hold your Spotify app and tap on the uninstall button. Confirm uninstallation or deletion of the app from your Android device by tapping OK in the pop-up, and once you delete your Spotify application, go back to Play Store, search for Spotify in the search box, and re-download the application on your mobile device. Also make sure to download the latest version of Spotify application on your mobile device to function your app for your app to perform well. To check if your Spotify app is up to date, tap open Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in Spotify and press search. Tap the update button right next to Spotify. Once you update your application now and then, the app comes up with bug fixes and performance boost. So in that case, some of the minor problems on your Spotify application might be solved just by updating to the latest version of the app. Once you download the latest version of Spotify app, open your Spotify app and see if that fixes your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to use your Spotify application to the fullest, or you are going through a no internet connection error. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.